Afganistan'da son dönemdeki özellikle başörtülü kızların
In Afghanistan, we find that the recent event of preventing girls with headscarves from being educated in universities and schools is inhumane. We find it inhumane. We find it un-Islamic. For one thing, there is no such thing in our religion. These girls should receive an education. No one can define or explain to us in Islam anything that prevents them from doing it. Islam does not accept such a thing. On the contrary, we are members of a religion that says, learn knowledge from the cradle to the grave. You can't do something like this. Both our Ministry of Foreign Affairs and ourselves are following these events.
diyen bir dinin mensuplarıyız. Böyle bir şeyi yapamazsınız. Ve gerek Dışişleri Bakanlığımız, gerek bizler bu işin takipçisiyiz, takipçisi olacağız.